Hello, today we are making a water bottle bag. Okay, we're going to start with making our slip knot. Now we're going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to slip stitch into that first chain. We're going to make a ring. Now we're going to chain 2 and double crochet right into that ring. So now we technically have 2 double crochets. Everything going into that ring. We're going to go all the way around until we have 12, including the chain 2. All right, here you can see we have 12, counting out each of the stitches. Now we're going to slip stitch in the top of that chain 2, and that will connect our row. So this is row 1. We're going to start row 2 with a chain 3, and now we're going to double crochet in that same exact stitch. So we have 2 and 1. Now we're going to chain 1, double crochet in that next stitch. And we're going to chain 1, double crochet in that next stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, double crochet in the same exact stitch as that one. Now we're having a back and forth, so we're going to chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same exact stitch. We're going to repeat that all the way around. All right, we're back at the end. Did my last chain 1. Now we're going to slip stitch in the second chain of that chain 3. And we connect our row. And that's row 2. We're doing every other in that one. Starting row 3, we're going to slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. Now we're going to chain 3. We're going to double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Now we're going to chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space. We're going to do that all the way around. Now we're here at the end, gonna do our last chain 1. Then we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the start. And this is what our row 3 should look like. Row 4, we're gonna repeat the same exact thing from last time. So we're slip stitching into the next chain 1 space. We're gonna chain 3, double crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain 1 space, all the way around. And you notice as I'm working, it'll start to curve, and that is okay. Meet me at the end of row 4. Coming at the end of row 4, we're going to put our slip stitch into that second chain from the start. And you see that nice curve? That is the way that we want to go. This is the wrong side. And this is the right side. You can tell the stitches look different. Now we're going to repeat that last row. I went up to 17 rows in total. You can do 15, you can do however many tall that your water bottle is. For my strap, I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna double crochet in the next chain 1 space. I'm gonna double crochet in the next double crochet in the next chain 1 space, double crochet in the next double crochet, until I have 5 stitches total. And now I'm just going to go up to the next row, turn my work, go up, and I'm going to repeat that until however long I want my strap. I went until my strap was 22 inches. You can make it longer, shorter, however you like. There's no rules. You can do whatever you want. If you have a different strap you like to make, feel free. I think it would probably look better than mine. In the end, it's a strap, and it does look nice. You can single crochet or sew the other side in, but have fun with it. These were easy. I added a flower on this one, and it looks really great. Add a pouch for your phone, whatever you like.